Right now through March 22nd, you can shop eBay's best ever spring sale, which offers massive savings on some of spring's most coveted items. We're talking top brands and must-have items that can transition everything from your wardrobe to tech and more ahead of the new season. Score up to 70% off top brands with free shipping and best price guarantee, which guarantees you score the best price or you'll get 110% of the price difference. Just visit ebay.com/deals, but hurry, it's a 14-day sale while supplies last, just through Sunday, March 22nd. And here's a great tip. Try certified refurbished. You can easily save hundreds of dollars by forgoing brand new in favor of new to you by buying a pre-owned item that's been inspected, fixed up, and certified to work just as well as it did right out of the box. Many items come with brand warranties too. For example, this Garmin running watch was $129.99, but you can find it certified refurbished on eBay for $69.99. For tech and gaming lovers, check this out. They have the iPhone XR 64GB phone, which retails for $750 for just under $400. That's nearly half off. They also have a 1-year membership subscription card for PlayStation Plus, which retails for $60 on sale now for $37.99, nearly 40% off. Great fashion deals too, from Adidas and Puma shoes up to 60% off. Take these Puma Selfaro training shoes, originally $80, now just under $35. Just go to ebay.com/deals and hurry. eBay's best ever spring sale ends March 22nd.